Good morning. It's a Saturday right now, and I found some wheels on Craigslist. So me and Nate are gonna go pick them up. I gotta go pick up Nate. He's actually dog sitting this little cute dog, so we're gonna bring a dog along too. So yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. It's about an hour away, and I'm just getting the rear wheels, so they're basically the 18x9s. The fronts on my car are 18x8s, so I'm putting the rears on the fronts so then I can get a square setup and I can run a 265 squared for the track. So yeah, let's go get Nate.
You acting like it's your car, man.
It is his car. What's up, Chip? Damn. This was crazy. Yo, Chip in the house. Oh, Nate's there too, but
oh wow. How inviting, man.
Chip, welcome, man. He's never been in the M3 before.
He's never been in that luxury.
It's about an hour later, and we're almost at this place. It's a little bit further than I thought. We're out in like Lake Ellesmere, which is kind of far. We picked up the wheels. They obviously aren't in the best shape. They are pretty messed up, but they don't have any like serious curb rash, which is good. It's just the paint is chipping on it, which is fine. Because what I'm gonna do with these is probably sand them down, and then I'm gonna take them to get powder coated. So this shouldn't matter anyways, like how the finish currently is. It doesn't have any bends or cracks, which is perfect. So I paid like $100 for these, so you can't really beat that. I might find another set because I have my rear wheels obviously, but I don't want to take these off and have the car down for like a couple days or whatever when I get these powder coated. So I might just try to find another pair just like this, so then I have an extra set, and I could sell this set of wheels, the 18x9 and the 18x8 in the front. I could sell it as a set.
Sit. Sit.
Chip, look, look.
Chip, stay. 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 No, Chip, stay.
Oh, that's pretty good. Peninsula.
Peninsula la banana.
Whoa, that was impressive. Another day, another video. Well, it's the same video, but
Oh, you haven't edited the other one?
no. So it's the same video because yesterday we went to get those wheels and I didn't even film that much. So I'm gonna continue this video. We're going to a car show right now. It's called Supercars on the Peninsula. Let me know if you guys have been there, because I've never been to it, and I hope it's not whack. You know?
No, I've been to it. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll take your word for it. Oh, you didn't bring Chip?
No, today's the last day, so I had to leave him at home. You said it was 5 minutes. It's 37 minutes.
No. Look at the address they put on there. On the thing you said. That guy shit is fucked up.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know where you're going.
Oh yeah, 6 minutes. Yeah, that's
yeah,
that's,
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, this is why you're here, man.
Yeah, man.
I'd be lost without you.
Hey, this is me right here. I see future me. Corvette. Yeah. There's the me right there, Woody's Wharf. Look at that. Alright, so we made it to the meet. Shit's crazy. Look at Valley Girl down there. Let me know which one you guys would cop out of all these. I know this is a car channel, but I'm a boat guy now. Viper?
This is sick.
I like this. Why so quiet?
We're so used to like the super loud exhaust on YouTube.
I was just watching some Shimmy 150 videos and I was like
they were revving.
waiting for the IP exhaust.
Yeah, that's not it. That's stock.
Mike.
Mike.
Precision.
Oh.
Hey, excuse me, sirs. You're gonna have to park in the back. This shit's not good enough, bro.
No?
I'm sorry.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.